Welcome to Kipware STUDIO, your complete machine shop CNC programming and efficiency jumpstarter package. Create G-code faster and easier than any CAD/CAM system. It's time to make your shop the super shop you always knew it could be. Kipware STUDIO includes conversational milling cam, conversational turning cam, toolpath plotting, G-code conversion, and so much more. Kipware STUDIO will eliminate bottlenecks and unnecessary downtime in any size shop. With no CAD, no drawing, and even no G-code experience required, Kipware STUDIO gets more people involved in shop floor CNC programming and improves your shop with faster turnaround and increased output. Ready to transform your shop? Visit us today or get in touch to learn more about Kipware STUDIO. Let's make your shop the super shop you always knew it could be. Learn more at our website, www.kipware.com, or review more videos at our YouTube channel, KT Software.